morning. I am Anitha, Assistant Professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to see the topic mining frequent patterns in data mining. What is frequent pattern? Frequent pattern mining is the data mining is the process of identifying patterns or association within a data set that occurs frequently. This is typically done by analyzing large data sets to find items or sets of items that appear together frequently. Frequent pattern extraction is an essential mission in data mining that intends to uncover repetitive patterns or item sets in granted data sets. It encompasses recognizing collections of components that occurs together frequently in a transactional or relational database. What is transactional and relational database means? Repeating arrangements. Prospecting can be applied to transactional database where each transaction consists of collections of objects. For instance, in a retail data sets, each transaction may represent a customer purchase with objects like some chocolates, dairy, or ovals. It can be also be used within the relational database. The data is organized into multiple related tables. In this case, repetitive arrangements can represent connections among the different attributes or columns. Next, coming to support and repeating groups is defined as a proportions of transaction in the database that contains a particular grouping, and repeating groups are collections of objects whose support is above a specified minimum support threshold. These grouping are considered interesting and are the primary focus of repeating arrangement prospectings. Next, coming to a priori algorithms is one of the most well-known and widely used algorithms for repeating arrangements prospecting. It uses a breadth-first search strategy to discover repeating groups efficiently. The algorithm works in multiple iterations. It starts by finding repeating individual objects by scanning the database once and counting the occurrence of each object. It then generates candidate group of size 2 by combining the repeating groups of size 1. And support based pruning. During the a priori algorithm execution, 8 based pruning is used to reduce the search space and enhance efficiency. If an item set is found to be rare, it is below the minimum 8 threshold, then all its supersets are also assumed to be rare. Association rule mining is a frequent item sets can be further examined to discover association rules which represent connections between different items. An association rule consists of a antecedent and consequent right hand side, both of which are item sets. For instance, milk, bread, egg is an association rule. Association rules are produced from frequent item sets by considering different combinations of items and calculating measures such as aid, confidence, and lift. Next, what are the applications and frequent pattern mining? Are as various practical uses in different domains. Some examples are market basket analysis, customer behavior analysis, web mining, bioinformatics, and network traffic analysis. Market basket analysis involves analysis customer purchase patterns to identify connection between items and enhance sales strategies. In bioinformatics, frequent pattern mining can be used to identify common patterns in DNA sequence, protein structure, or gene expressions, leading to insights in genetics and drug designs. Web mining can employ frequent pattern mining to discover navigational patterns, user preferences, or collaborative filtering recommendations of on the web. Next, market basket analysis frequently mines pattern to comprehend consumers' buying patterns. Business gets knowledge about product association by recognizing items that commonly appear together in transactions. This knowledge enables companies to improve recommendation systems and cross-sell efforts. Retailers can use this program to assist them to making data-driven decisions that will enhance customer happiness and boost sales. Next, coming to, there are several different types of algorithm used to frequent patterns mining, including a priori algorithm, eclat algorithm, FP growth algorithms. This is one of the most commonly used algorithm for frequent pattern mining. It uses bottom-up approaches to identify frequent item sets and then generate association for rules for those item sets. Eclat algorithms is depth first search approach to identify frequent item sets. It's particularly efficient for datasets with a large number of items. Next, FP growth algorithms. It is a compression techniques to find frequent pattern efficiency, particularly efficient for data sets with a large number of transactions. Frequent patterns mining has many applications such as market basket analysis, recommender systems, fraud detections, and many more. These are the advantages of finding patterns. It can find useful information which is not visible in simple data browsers. It can find interesting association or correlation among data items. Disadvantages: it can generate a large number of patterns. With high density, the number of patterns can be very large, making it difficult to interpret the results. Thank you.